Jai Gurudev children. Today we are going to discuss about some natural and man-made wonders of the world. Humans have spent years uncovering the mysteries of this planet, but some facts are still hard to believe. For example, continents can move at the same rate as fingernails grow, and there is a country so vast it's home to 11 time zones. The very first information is about the Atal Tunnel. Atal Tunnel is a highway tunnel built under the Rohtang Pass in the eastern Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas on the Leh-Manali highway in Himachal Pradesh, India. At a length of 9.02 km, it is the longest tunnel above 10,000 feet in the world and is named after former Prime Minister of India, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Tunnel was inaugurated by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji on 3rd October 2020. The tunnel reduces the road distance by 46 kilometers between Manali and Leh and the time by about 4 to 5 hours. Do you know, children, 90% of the world's population lives in the northern hemisphere. The world is divided into 24 time zones and Russia covers 11 of them. When the east of Russia is in the mid of the working day, the western regions are still fast asleep. Russia has the highest number of time zones in any country. Continents can move at the same rate as fingernails grow. The ancient supercontinent Pangaea took hundreds of millions of years to break up into what we know as the 7 continents. The Diomede or the Diomovo Islands are made up of Big Diomede owned by Russia and Little Diomede owned by the United States. While only 2.4 miles apart, they sit on opposite sides of the international date line and they have a 21-hour time difference between them. This is why they are nicknamed as Tomorrow Island and Yesterday Island. Istanbul is a transcontinental city and is the only biggest city in the world which has been established on 2 continents, which are Europe and Asia. Istanbul is divided between 2 continents and therefore 2 cultures. In ancient times, it was known as Constantinople. Napoleon once said, if the earth was a single state, Istanbul would be its capital. The oldest continuously inhabited city in the world is Varanasi. Mark Twain said, Varanasi is older than history, older than tradition, older even than legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together. Africa is the only continent that lies in all 4 hemispheres. The world is divided into 4 hemispheres based on the equator and the prime meridian. While some continents fall into 2 hemispheres, Africa is the only continent that lies between all 4. The Appalachian Mountains are shrinking. Some believe that the Appalachians were once as tall as the Himalayas, but due to constant rain and erosion, they have been shrinking. The Himalayan mountains are growing. The Himalayas continue to grow more than 1 centimeter a year, a growth rate of 10 kilometers in a million years. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. We are sure that this rhyme must be sung by every child around the world. But this rhyme would certainly have a different meaning for every child in Mawsynram town, located in the state of Meghalaya, India. For some, rain is a blessing from the gods. But who would love a constant downpour? Mawsynram, lying in the East Kashi Hills of Meghalaya, is titled the wettest place on the earth. Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. Mount Everest may be the tallest mountain above the sea level, but when it comes to the tallest mountain on the earth, that honor goes to Mauna Kea. It is in Pacific Ocean. Above the sea, Mauna Kea only stands 13,796 feet in height, but when you follow the mountain to its base at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, it is 32,808 feet. In the Pacific Ocean, there is a point that is the most remote from any piece of land. It's known as Point Nemo or Pole of Inaccessibility. This point was named after the famous submarine sailor from Jules Verne's Captain Nemo. Do you remember that story? Yes, it is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Have you heard about the Third Order Enclave? Dala Kagrabari. The Third Order Enclave was a part of India, surrounded by Bangladesh Enclave, which was surrounded by an Indian enclave, which was surrounded by Bangladesh. This was the only Third Order Enclave in the world. An enclave is a piece of one country's territory which is entirely surrounded by another country's territory. And the India-Bangladesh border was filled with them before 2015, when they were eliminated by a treaty between the two countries. A second-order enclave is an enclave inside an enclave, and the world has a handful of them. But Dala Kagrabadi was the only third-order enclave in the world. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking. Asia and North America get closer and closer as the Pacific Ocean is shrinking by 2 to 3 centimeters every year. The Black Forest. Germany's Black Forest is dense and dark, but it's also home to the cuckoo clock, charming little towns, and fairy tale castles. It is the place where Hansel and Gretel had their encounter with the witch, and where Little Red Riding Hood was followed by the wolf. Children, so far we have seen the wonders of the nature. Nature has a wonderful transformative power which is responsible for the functioning of life on earth. It is essential for mankind to flourish, so it is our duty to conserve it. We must stop the unwanted activities and try our best to preserve the natural resources so life can forever be nourished on earth. Jai Gurudev.